Today I will show you how to change speed in Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is load up your Audacity software, and once you load it up, this is what it's going to look like. And for you to change speed in Audacity, you need to have a voice recording or a recording of which you want to change the speed of. So we're going to record a voice first. Now to record a voice, we're going to click on this red button here, and we're going to say this is a recording. Once we play our recording, and we're going to say this is a recording. Okay, so we have this recording that we want to change the pitch for. What we're going to do is we're going to click on the particular recording. We're going to go to Effect. Now we're going to go to Pitch and Tempo. And once you go to Pitch and Tempo, you see it says Change Speed and Pitch. You should click on that. Now once we're here, we're going to see a dialog box that says Change Speed and Pitch. And to change the speed, to make it, let's want to make it faster. What we are interested in is this percentage change. We're going to come here and we're going to click on 150. You see the slider changes once we click on it. When we click on apply, you see automatically the wavelength has also changed. And when we click on play, now that's how you change speed in Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.